Perro de Presa Canario. Just look at that dog and tell me what it reminds you of. If it reminds you of those vicious zombie dogs from the Resident Evil franchise, then we're thinking the exact same thing. The similarities don't end on looks alone, unfortunately, and like the dogs in the game, this breed can be very vicious. Translated from Spanish, this breed's name literally means canary and catch dogs. It's also commonly known as the Canary Mastiff, but believe me, this dog isn't as docile as a canary despite its name. The fact that this breed is a result of selectively crossbreeding different breeds of fighting dogs should be an indication on how dangerous this dog could really be. Although its original purpose was to help out in farms as a farm dog and to herd farm animals, they are also often used in dogfighting rings where they duke it out with other known fighting breeds, which we'll introduce you to later in this list. Let me just point out that dogfighting is highly illegal and inhumane, so please don't support this activity.